Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use audio visualizers in Lively Wallpaper. So it comes bundled with a few wallpapers compatible with this feature. So the first thing we're going to look at is the music tunnel, and this is how it would look like normally. Just like the bass tunnel, the default tunnel, but if we start playing some music, it's going to start changing. So that looks nice, but there are still some other options you can choose from, such as the living room. But another thing that I want to show is a different type of audio visualizer, the more conventional visual representation. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my browser and then I'm going to search Ray Live or Ray Audio Visualizer. Here we go, Ray Music Visualizer. Gonna go ahead and go to the GitHub page. And then here in this GitHub page, all we have to do is scroll down a little bit. And then let's click on this Ray Music Visualizer zip file, download it. And once it's downloaded, let's open our Lively Wallpaper window. We're going to click Add Wallpaper. And then we're simply gonna drag and drop the downloaded file. So I've actually downloaded it twice so far. So just drag and drop the zip file and it should import very nicely into the program. So we're going to click on that and set that as our background. Gonna play some music, but not too loud. So this is what it looks like by default. A nice thing you can do with Lively Wallpaper in this particular application, or sorry, a visualizer, is that you can customize it. So we can change the color, the background, whether it reverses under, random specter with no music, hide with no music. So say I wanted it to hide, show music visualizer. Let's set a custom gradient. Let's set it to something like blue to red. Sounds nice. And color inside. Go back and take a look. You can see that it's gone from blue to red. So it's very customizable. There's a lot of options you can fiddle with and tinker with to really nail it down. So that's how you can use audio visualizers and Lively Wallpaper. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful, and thank you for watching.